Okay, what's the date? It's the 15th of September. We've only been here for a couple of days, but already we're starting to gather some valuable evidence.
Hey, a truck just pulled in. It's loaded with trees. Come and have a look at this.
Andy's also been picking up a lot of talk on the radio frequencies. Most of it's just guys yabbering on about nothing, but occasionally we get some really useful stuff. Have a listen.
Come in, base. This is Cobra 1. Receiving Cobra 1. Sector 21 is cleared, and the trucks are on their way back to the compound with the logs. Good work. Now that Sector 21 is cleared, we're on track to hit this month's newsprint target. We had some trouble from the local villagers in Sector 21 when we were clearing their homes from the forest. But that little uprising has now been sorted. Forget about them. With Sector 21 cleared of trees, we can now ramp up our activities and profits by building the planned cattle ranch. Building work should start immediately. Once it's up and running, our financial forecasts show that we'll sell enough beef to cheap burger companies within a year to triple our profits. Think how quickly we can scale up our logging activity with that kind of money behind us.
Not bad, eh? We also took a few risks and got our hands on some of these invoices. They give valuable information from which we can calculate how many trees are being cut down illegally every day. The evidence is building. We've got a lot of work to do, but I think we're going to get everything we need for our report to the UN.